When I was growing up, my dad defined what it means to be a lawyer. I was fortunate enough to get a job at the DA's office. I prosecuted every type of crime you can imagine. The Shapiro Law Firm was the place where I wanted to end up. We made the decision that I left the DA's office and came to work with him. Ever since then, he and I have been working together on family law and criminal law matters and have never looked back. We handle real people with very real problems. The bigger the situation, the bigger the moment, the more pressure there is, the more I thrive.
These are not issues of, is the contract going to close on that house? This is an issue of, at the end of this divorce, am I going to get to see my kids? You literally have to match your wits against the person on the other side to achieve the best result available for your client.
My husband at the time was a chronic relapsing alcoholic. The final time was he didn't come home for 3 weeks. I sought out Howard's help. The primary thing that I was most concerned about were my children, and Howard knew that, and he kept that very much at the forefront. He was actually what I would describe as the steady in the storm. If I did not have the Shapiro Law Firm, my life would not be in the great place that it's in, nor would my kids be as amazing as they are.
I'm not going to tell you just what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you what the truth is. We have no hours. We have no days off. We are always available.
A big part of what I do is comforting and answering questions. But at the end of the day, when someone walks in my office, they want a lawyer that can win.
My son was 18 years old. The police charged him with aggravated assault on a public servant. Every day you wake up not knowing, is he going to end up in prison or not? That was his life. That was my life with my son, losing him. The Shapiro Law Firm has an excellent reputation. We contacted Todd, and he told us from the get-go it was a challenge, but he wasn't going to back down from it, and he was going to be there. The defense that he provided was just incredibly amazing. He was just so strong. My son has his life because of Todd. I could trust and have confidence in the Shapiro Law Firm.
The problems are so personal, and the solutions are so satisfying when you are able to do a good job and have your client walk out of the courtroom happy with their result.
I know that there's nothing more serious going on in your life than this situation. This is not the end of the road for you. This is not the end of the world, and we're going to do things as I know how to do them to try to put the pieces back into place. And I will do everything in my power to get a just resolution for your case.